haka step ka ar khunai trek nai lor arjar par kum shibenta ban kan ma buram ya ka jingdap ar nem ka jingklat no ba Peter Garnet Marmayang MLA but MP barim la play pai ba yo modur jong new no lam ha police point lam khra lawan man play pai ba yo new modur do mitrang ba ka jala meglea konrad ke sangma ha ka jiran lang sumbul mitrang ba preston tan song Archbishop Reverend Victor Lingdo Director General of Police LR Bisnoy ki khon ki ba Peter G Marmayang ba kun thop yo MLA ka East Long ka Dr Amprin Lingdo USP ka West Castles Herbert G Lingdo lambat kwe pan ba Peter G Marbayang lolong udkhot ke yeng dor ba thawan ke jala megalia hapadeng kisnam se jakndai spa nyupuar bat sia jakndai spa prop khondai bat labat ekaka menteri sarkar bat kumjuru ulampang ulami khmat ru kum MP ke yeng dor bar lok sawa nadu snam jakndai spa prop khondai hadu snam se jakndai spa khna pun reu na silong sit
Jasmine, hey, Jasmine. Kecing tuai. Kecing nanti.
He gives us hope when hope is gone. He gives us strength when we can't go on. He gives us shelter in the storms of life. And there's peace on earth. There's peace in Christ. There's peace in Christ when we walk with Him through the streets of Galilee, through Jerusalem. Let the broken heart, for the tear-filled eyes, if we live the way He lived, there's peace in Christ. He gives us hope when hope is gone. He gives us strength when we can't go on. He gives us shelter in the storms of life. There's no peace on earth. There's peace in Christ.
unbelievable that our family has had the privilege of serving the people of the constituency first for 50 long years without a break in service. Now, all of that would not have been possible hadn't it been for Dad and the legend that he was. Thank you to the people of Nong Mai. Unfortunately, we parted ways in 2013, but all of you still remain fresh in our minds, and Dad would have never appreciated if we left Nong Mai out of this program today. Thank you, Daddy. You have taught us well. I'm very sure that he's seen all of us from wherever he is. And these kids, unbelievable how you all have stood up and lived up to that image that your grandfather would have appreciated greatly. Your songs, your renditions were beautiful. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own. I'd give it up, my life, my heart, and my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's of, what it's of.
When he was animally, I think I was very small at that time. I look at him. He looks like a German. Okay, tall, handsome. I wish I should be like him only. So friends, in commemorating his 25th death anniversary, we just heard the history, the life history of late P.G. Mabanyang. So I'm so happy associating myself in this program. Let us recollect the services made by him, not only to the then Lai Mkra constituency, but also to the state, not only to the state alone, but the entire northeastern states. So, friends, let us also follow his footsteps and will continue to also bring back the inspiration, the task which is left to all of us, be it the children, be it relative, from both the clans. And I'm sure by remembering him, we will be able to deliver, to discharge our responsibilities to the community, to our friends, to our state.
If I could turn back the clock and make sure that dark light feed the dark and spend every hour and every day keeping you safe. Oh, I climb every mountain, swim every ocean just to be with you. Fix what I've broken, oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason
25 years. It's a long time. As Honorable Deputy Chief Minister was mentioning, that he was very, very young that time when late Peter Marbanyang had first become an MLA. In fact, I wasn't even born that time when he first became an MLA. And I just remember the memories of late Peter Marbanyang and my father, late P.S. Sangma. I just can remember small glimpses, short, moments, not very clear, but I do remember certain moments when the two of them were together. And just this morning, I was also seeing some pictures of both of them sitting together and chatting. So it's been a very, very long journey for our families together, in fact. So late Peter Marbanyang and late P.S. Sangma were very close colleagues, friends, worked together. And it's really, I should say, a very happy moment for me, and a period, a very important period where his family, Kong Amperin, and we all are continuing that legacy of working together and serving the people of the state. What our late fathers had started, I guess, we are doing our best to continue it. And today, with the unveiling of the bust, it's not just about the bust. We have to remember that great people, they may leave us and go away, but their ideas, their vision, their legacy will always remain. And even after 25 years of late Peter Marbanyang passing away, to some of you, it must be feeling like just yesterday that he was still here. And that is a power of the personality of an individual, to be able to influence generations to come. And today, this unveiling of this bust is nothing but not just a bust, but it is a powerful message to the future generation, reminding us about the contributions that were made by late Peter Marbanyang, reminding us about the values that he stood for, reminding us about how he dedicated his life, not just to the people of the constituency, but as was mentioned by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, how late Peter Marbanyang had contributed to the entire nation. And therefore, we must always remember and keep those values and strive to follow in those footsteps in the days to come. So once again, it's really nice to see so many of the family members out here. And I was just listening to Bafenton, struggling to remember the names and struggling to make sure that he took everybody's name. And yet he could not, get everybody on board. But really, I think it's a great moment for the family, and great moment for friends who have been close to the family, and especially to late Peter Marbanyang. And it's an honor for all of us who are on stage. Actually, all of you should have been on stage. It's very odd that we are on stage, but it's an honor that you have given us to be here and to be part of this really memorable occasion. I'm sure that all the granddaughters and grandchildren who sang the song today, I'm sure that when the 50 years anniversaries comes, then you'll be looking back at this video of you singing this song 25 years back. So keep that song nicely. It'll be a great memory to remember and to keep, and you will, I'm sure, enjoy it and cherish it.